In March, a devastating earthquake struck Mandalay, Myanmar. In response, Tzu Chi helped construct temporary classrooms for 4 affected monastery schools. Once the new classrooms were completed, classes resumed quickly, so students could catch up on their studies. With support from the schools, Tzu Chi volunteers also distributed rice and cooking oil to meet the daily needs of teachers and students. Tzu Chi built 26 classrooms, donated over 1,000 sets of stationery, and provided 550 desks and chairs, fully equipping every classroom. The teachers and students celebrated their return to school. The monastery's abbot shared that when the school was founded in 1991, they persevered through many hardships. Now, they have Tzu Chi's support along the way. At the inauguration ceremony, balloons rose into the sky, symbolizing renewed hope after the disaster. ITV reports.